Okay. Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning.
Good morning. So today we will do some grammar exercises. Okay.
Have a nice day, ma'am.
As I told you, in your examination you get editing and omission. You get editing, omission, and jumbled words jumbled to make sentences. Then sentence transformation that we practiced earlier, narration, direct, indirect speech. So today we will do some error correction. In every line there is one mistake. You have to point out the mistake and the correct word. The Portuguese, first one is done for you. The Portuguese began to explore a west coast. What is the correct answer? A west coast. First one is done as an example. So first one is done as an example. The Portuguese began to explore the west coast of Africa. Year after year, they sent out ships when sailed along the coast. Which is the mistake?
मैम when की जगह which होगा?
Yes, very good. You can send your answers in chat. You can send your answers in chat. Which? So when is the wrong word? When is the wrong word and which is the correct word? This is the mistake. In the first blank, you have to write the wrong word, and in the second blank, which sailed along the coast, every daring a little further. Sailed along the coast. Year after year, they sent out ships which sailed along the coast. Every what will be the
Ma'am, each.
huh?
Ma'am, each.
Every की जगह each.
Yes, very good. Correct answer.
Vespuras.
Each. Yes.
Vespuras.
Rishabh Ranjan. Either you give the answer or keep your mouth shut. You disturb a lot. Each daring a little further south. Yes. Very good. Each daring a little further south. At first, when they first landed, they find. You can send your answers in chat.
Found instead of find.
You can send your answers in chat. Yes, Sugandh, Ananya, correct answer. Siddhi Shri had given the correct answer earlier. Siddhi Shri also correct answer. Anuj, correct answer. So found. They found. Find is the wrong word. Correct word is found. They found that anything was made hot and dry.
And everything instead of anything.
Anything की जगह everything.
From everything.
Everything instead of anything. Anything is the wrong answer. Anything is the wrong word. And the correct word is everything. Everything was made hot and dry by the burning winds, which blowing off the Sahara Desert.
Blue.
Which blue?
Blue.
मैम ब्लू होगा blowing की जगह.
Send your answers in chat.
Blue.
Ma'am, I have sent.
Yes, Ayush Kumar, Supriya, correct answer. Siddhi Shri, correct answer. Avinash, correct answer. Neha Sinha also answer is correct. Yes, Neha Sinha answer correct. Many of you, Anuj, your answer is not correct. What is the past of blow? It is not blowed, it is blew. Blow, blew, blown. Blow, blew, blown. So, blowed नहीं होता, blew होता है. Which blew off? So, blowing is the wrong word. Blowing is the wrong word. Correct word is blew. Blew off the Sahara Desert. They thought of the stories they have heard. Very easy. Send your answer.
Had.
Ananya, correct answer.
Had.
Answer. Ananya, Advait, Anukul, Sugandh, Siddhishri, correct answer. Avinash Kumar, correct answer. Aditya Raj, correct answer. आयुष मेहरा नहीं, आयुष मेहरा तुम्हारा आंसर से. For which word you are replacing that? किस word के? Bhavya, correct answer. हाँ, that. कोई many of you, some of you have written that. That is not the correct answer. Correct answer is had instead of have. So you will get these kind of exercises only in your terminals. So we'll move to the next passage. Screen is visible to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Same thing you have to do in this passage also. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi went to England to higher studies. First one is done for you. So as you see in these kind of paragraphs, you will get any kind of mistake. Mistake of preposition, mistake of connectors, mistake of tense, mistake of modals. So you have to apply your knowledge, whatever you have learned, in correcting the paragraphs. So Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi went to England for higher studies, preposition error, at the age of 19. His mother is apprehensive. Apprehensive means, no? Apprehensive means आशंका होना कि
I'm anxious.
have some fear in mind. डरना, आशंका होना.
I'm anxious.
हाँ, anxious.
मैम बस होगा.
So,
मैम इसकी जगह was.
yes, Aditya, your answer is correct. Ayush Mehra gave the correct answer. Anukul answer is correct. Anuj Sharan answer correct. Supriya answer is correct. Ayush Mehra answer is correct. Okay, many of you have given the correct answers.
Yeah.
So his mother was apprehensive. Is the wrong word, so it is a tense mistake. You can get any kind of mistakes. Preposition tense. About young men go astray. Astray, you. Okay, went to England to higher studies at the age of 19. His mother. Can you hear me, all of you?
Yes, ma'am, we can hear you now.
Hear you, ma'am.
Yes, connection was lost. Mother was apprehensive about young men go astray. What is the mistake here? Young men go astray.
Ma'am, going instead of go.
Yes. Yes, correct answer. Going instead of go. Go is the wrong word. Correct word is going. Going astray in Western society, but her fears were allayed.
What is the meaning of allayed?
Fears were. Wait, let me also find out ये word. तो मेरे लिए भी नया. Wait. Allayed. एक मिनट फोन दो तो. ये.
Ma'am, to make something less strong.
Make the thing very strong. Where
Ma'am,
allayed.
less strong.
Oh. Fears were made strong. But her fears were allayed. Make strong.
Ma'am, make less strong.
Make less strong. Acha.
Make weak.
But her fears were made less strong. Yes. लिख देते हैं meaning. Okay. But her fears were allayed means made less strong. That Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi swore not for. What is the mistake in this line?
Ma'am, when instead of that.
Yes, Supriya, you gave the
And
answer. Correct answer. Very good, Supriya. Yes. Here you have a connector mistake. Huh? That is the wrong word. Correct word is when. When Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi swore not for touch meat, wine and women. When
Two
Mohandas
instead of four.
Gandhi
Ma'am, not to.
swore not
Ma'am, not to.
not
Not two.
for is the wrong word. Correct word is to. Not to touch meat, wine and women. He faces a lot of difficulties.
He faced.
Faced.
He faced a lot of difficulty. Yes, correct. Faces. Faces is the wrong word because the passage is in past tense. हाँ? ये बीते हुए घटना के बारे में बताया जा रहा है ना. This passage is about something which has already happened. Huh? He faced a lot of difficulties due to their
His.
vegetarianism.
His.
Instead of their.
There is the wrong word. Due to his. So you can see that any kind of mistakes can be there. Connector mistake, number C, then D and A. D is
Position mistake.
preposition mistake, then tense mistake, pronoun mistake, spelling mistakes also can be there. Then again, this also same thing. There are some people that are afraid. First one is done for you. There are some people that are afraid of failures, and sometimes they are afraid to themselves.
Of instead of two.
And sometimes they are afraid to themselves. You are afraid of something. Afraid of. Again, preposition mistake. Afraid of themselves that they avoid take any risks.
Taking.
Yes.
Taking.
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 You
Yes.
can send your answers in chat.
Okay, ma'am.
They avoid. They avoid. Take is the wrong word. Taking. Risks of committing a mistake. Next one. Yes, taking is the correct answer. Taking. Taking is the correct answer. Then in the next, risk of committing a mistake.
Ma'am, any.
Ma'am, or instead of and.
Ma'am, commit.
Risk
Take
of
a wrong step.
Ma'am, take
take a wrong step. Yes. Here taking, instead of taking you have take. यहाँ उल्टा हो गया. Take a wrong step. If you read it as a sentence, then you will find out that taking, instead of taking you will have take.
Yes, ma'am.
They abstain and taking a wrong step. They abstain entirely for some attempt and endeavor. Abstain means what? Abstain means to keep away from something. किसी चीज से अपने
Ma'am,
आप को
बचाना.
keep away. अपने आप को कोई चीज से दूर रखना. तो with abstain, what preposition you use? They abstain entirely for some attempt. Abstain.
Ma'am, from instead of for.
Yes, Siddhishri,
From.
very good. Siddhishri, correct answer. Siddhishri has given the correct answer. Very good. Instead of for. Yes, Shreyasi also correct answer. Instead of for, you have from. From. Some attempt and endeavor. They look down upon themselves. They look
Endeavor.
down. Endeavor also means labor. Work, hard work, endeavor. Endeavor means work, hard work. They abstain entirely from some attempt and endeavor. They look down upon themselves.
Ma'am, look instead of looked.
Ma'am, look. Ma'am, look.
Yes,
Ma'am,
No, ma'am.
Shreyasi has given the correct answer. Yes, Shreyasi, your answer is correct. Neha Sinha, your answer is correct. Avinash, answer is correct. Aditya Raj, answer is correct. Yes, many of you. Ayush Kumar, answer is correct. Aditya Raj, Avinash, Ayush, many of you have given the correct answer. Yes, very good. Many of you have given the correct answer. Looked is the wrong word. Correct word is look. They look down upon themselves and believe that something is impossible for them. What is the wrong word? They believe that something is impossible for them. Is it looking appropriate? What is the wrong word? Believe that something is impossible for them. They keep away entirely, they abstain entirely from some attempt and endeavor. They look down upon themselves and believe that ये negative
Ma'am, believed.
नहीं believe ठीक है. It is on
Ma'am,
a,
something की जगह everything.
Something की जगह everything.
everything. Okay.
Ma'am,
लेकिन ये देखो everything.
ma'am, they look down at themselves हो सकता है.
क्या?
Ma'am, they look down at themselves.
नहीं look down upon themselves, at themselves नहीं होता. वो ठीक है.
Ma'am, they look down upon himself.
नहीं, हिमसेल्फ नहीं, हिमसेल्फ तो एक के लिए होता है ना. Here it is they.
Yes.
With they you will use themselves only. That is correct. मुझे यहाँ लग रहा है कि नथिंग होगा, क्योंकि यहाँ देखो एक नेगेटिव सेंस है ना, कि वो अपने आप को नीची नजर से देखते हैं, तो इट शुड बी नथिंग. Nothing is possible.
Yes, ma'am. Nothing is right.
Nothing is according to the meaning of the sentence. ग्रामेटिकली देखो एवरीथिंग भी सही लग रहा है, लेकिन अगर हम मीनिंग निकाले सेंटेंस का, जो लोग अपने आप को नीची नजर से देखते हैं वो क्या सोचते हैं कि कुछ भी पॉसिबल नहीं होगा. So according to the meaning, they look down upon themselves. Those who look down upon themselves, what they will believe? That nothing is impossible for them. So nothing is suitable according to the meaning of the sentence. According to the meaning, it is, ये fill in the blanks थोड़ा. Okay. Gandhiji dash an apostle of truth, non-violence and humanity. Screen is visible to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So what will be the
Was.
Ma'am was.
So Gandhiji was an apostle of Gandhiji was an apostle of truth. Yes, correct answer. Gandhiji was an apostle of truth, non-violence and humanity. He dashed freedom for India.
One.
One.
He won freedom for India and gave a new direction to the Indian society. His greatness dash in the fact that he
Lies.
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 lies. His greatness lies. His greatness lies in the fact that he dash
Continued.
You can send your answers in chat. Chalo. Continued. Continued freedom struggle without taking any recourse to violent methods. So Gandhiji was known for that only, for non-violence. Gandhiji's principle of non-violence dash
Was
still.
Is.
Gandhiji's principle of,
I have
you
sent
can
it the
send your
answer.
answer in chat.
Ma'am is.
I have sent it the answer, ma'am.
Okay. Ananya answer is correct. Neha Sinha answer is correct. Ananya Neha Sinha answer is correct. Yes, many of you have given the correct answers. Yes, is still. Supriya also correct answer. Shreyasi correct answer. Siddhi Shri answer is correct. Is still relevant. Is still relevant when all the powerful nations compete with each other. You can use any form of the verb, means continuous, present continuous, past continuous, present perfect, any form of the
Ma'am, I have
verb.
sent them.
Ma'am, I said answer.
I have sent it the answer, ma'am.
Siddhi Shri answer is correct. Siddhi Shri has given the correct answer. Or to
Ma'am, were competing now.
are competing, powerful, still relevant when all the powerful nations are competing with each other. अभी वो compete कर रहे हैं. are competing.
मैम मैंने भी यही लिखा था।
अच्छा आदित्य राज तुम्हारा भी आंसर सही था। मैं competing. Yes, Aditya Raj, your answer was correct, and Siddhi Shri gave the correct answer. So, a happy home dash us with warmth of love. Aditya Raj, Shreyasi correct answer, Supriya correct answer, Neha correct. नहीं, नेहा का आंसर नहीं है. Provides. Provides us with warmth of love. It dash mean living comfortably in a gorgeous mansion furnished with modern amenities. Send your answers. Supriya answer is correct. Ananya Singh answer is correct. Supriya Aditya Raj answer is correct. Siddhi Shri answer is correct. Anuj Sharan answer is correct. So Shreyasi answer is correct. So yes, very good. Many of you have given the correct answer. Doesn't mean. It doesn't mean living comfortably in a gorgeous mansion furnished with modern amenities. It in fact dash. So happy home does not mean a big house and all the luxuries. Even in a small house, you can lead a happy life. So with modern amenities. Living comfortably in a gorgeous mansion furnished with modern amenities. It in fact, what is the correct answer?
Implies.
Yes. What's the correct answer?
Implied.
Aditya Raj, correct answer. Neha Sinha, correct answer. Anuj Sharan, correct answer. Ananya, correct answer. Sugandh Kumar, answer is correct. Siddhi Shri, answer is correct. Rishu also answer is correct. Rishu also gave the correct answer. So correct answer is implies. Living amicably. My home offers. मैंने ही बोल दिया. What is?
मैम offers.
Offers me.
Yes, offers. Correct answer is OFFERS. Offers me. All the members of my family.
Are.
Advait Pandey, correct answer. Aditya
Ma'am,
Raj.
were.
No, not were, are. Are. My grandparents and parents constantly.
Guiding us.
Last one, Advait has given
Guide
the.
me.
Siddhi Shri, you won't use S in this. Why? Because it is plural. Parents and grandparents. Plural subject, verb without S. Plural subject, verb without S. Guide. No change at all. Because parents and grandparents, subject is plural. So when the subject is plural, you don't use S in the verb. When the subject is plural, you don't use S in the verb. Is it clear to all of you?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then, yes, now we will do the next. An 18-year-old boy died and at least 35 persons dash ill after they dash some herbal drink. Shreyasi, correct answer. Supriya, correct answer. श्रेयसी, सुप्रिया, कृति नहीं, कृति का नहीं, और किसने करेक्ट आंसर दिया? अनन्या सिंह, करेक्ट आंसर. Ananya gave the correct answer. Yes. Fell ill, past tense. What is the past tense of fell? Here you will not use the third form. Third form कब use करते हैं? Has, have के साथ. Fell ill. Fell ill is correct. Fell ill after they dash some herbal drink at a park in Rohini. After they, yes, Nishu gave the correct. Nishu answer is correct. Rishu answer is correct. Divyanshu answer is correct. Anuj Sharan correct answer. Consumed some herbal drink at a park in Rohini on Thursday. 3 people are, yes, are. Shreyasi answer is correct. Neha Sinha answer is correct. Aditya Raj. 3 people are in critical condition. The boy Sumit Dhawan. Sumit Dhawan. What will be the correct answer? Shreyasi answer is correct. Rishu answer is correct. Pragya answer is correct. Ananya Singh answer is correct. Nishu Nayan answer is correct. Nishu Nayan. Aditya Raj answer is correct. Siddhi Shri answer is correct. Yes, very good. Many of you have given the correct answers. Died. At around 11 a.m. Sumit dash take his class 12. Sumit takes his correct answer. Yes, one correct answer had taken. Yes, Shreyasi. Shreyasi gave the correct answer. Very good. Sumit had taken his class 12 exams and dash prepare for medical entrance. Yes, one correct answer I got. Kisne was preparing. Siddhi Shri gave the correct answer. Yes, Siddhi Shri, Shreyasi, your answer is correct. Siddhi Shri and Shreyasi, both of you, your answer is correct. Aditya Raj also answer is correct. Aditya Raj was preparing. Okay. So our class ends here. Again,
Okay, ma'am.
Do some. In 1 or 2 days, I will organize a quiz. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
I will
Ma'am,
inform
ma'am,
you.
different section.
हाँ, different section. 3 section है ना.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
1-2 दिन में कल मैं बता दूंगी आप लोग को पोर्शन किस चीज के लिए प्रिपेयर करके रखना है.
Okay, ma'am.
Tomorrow
Okay, ma'am.
Thursday. Friday I will check. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Have a nice day, ma'am.
Bye,
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Yes, thank you.
Bye,
all
ma'am.
of you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Thank you. Okay.
Have a nice